Hey friends, it's Neil, WindowEffects. Got a customer come in, needed their truck re-tinted, want the Supreme, the best tint we offer for the best heat rejection. But let's just go over like what a good tint job or what a great tint job looks like on us, or just like an average tint job. But just as your first look at this window, you can't really tell there's anything the matter with it. It looks like, hey, that looks like a pretty decent tint job. But until you know what you're really looking for, most customers would probably see this. But if you come over here, I mean, you got a giant light gap right down here on the bottom. Look what happens when you wind this window down. Look at that cut right in there. So it didn't even cut down in the sides. And when you wind the window up, you can hear where it's so long right here that it's peeling. So we're gonna redo this window. Customer opted for just a plotter cut, which is gonna have a nice little standard gap on there, but it's gonna be a clean cut. And we're gonna show you what the difference is between WindowEffects work and other people, and why our prices are more than other people, because you're paying for the quality of the job that you're getting and not just you're paying for window tint. Hey friends, it's Neil, WindowEffects. Just got done giving this a transformation. So it's not just about window tint, it's about transformation from something good to something great. So this tint was not good though, it was very poor, so we had to fix it. Notice right here, we always take the sticker off. So anytime you see a sticker in there beside tint, that looks terrible. Before there was dirt there up at the top, so we ripped it off and removed it with a brand new piece. There's no dirt anywhere. And then before we had a terrible gap. So if you want to come in here, we'll show you. This is a plotter cut from a machine that's cut with a little standard gap, because that's what the customer decided they just wanted to go with the standard gap. They didn't want to pay a little bit extra for the factory edge where we file it up to the edge. Both are great options, but this one obviously is standard compared to the factory edge. But we fixed them up. His tint looks a million times better. He did go with the Supreme ceramic, so before he had a cheap tint, now he's got a tint that blocks out 97% of the heat from Johnson window films. So again, great transformation from old, crappy tint to brand new, great custom work by WindowEffects.